Hi guys, this is Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a video that has been requested by one of my followers, and I had promised this video long ago in one of my videos. That was the mini makeup haul from New as well as Purple. So I had bought one of the products that I was really keen on using. That was a Bikini Line hair removal cream, and I thought I would definitely do a review on it because that is something which was new to me, and I thought even it would be new to a lot of guys. So let's get started with it. So I will firstly show you the product and tell you what are the price and everything so that you know everything properly. So this is the product that comes. I bought this from purple.com. It's an online makeup cum skincare hair care store, so you can buy things from there if you like. I actually kind of discovered this product. I did not know about it before, so I just saw it on discount and I thought, why not? This is something that almost every woman relates to. You know, waxing is one of the most painful things, and hair removal creams are like a boon nowadays because they're quick and easy to use and accessible, and it can be used at any point of time, so that's great. The only problem is the ones that are generally available in the market, they are for your general skin, like on your legs, your hands, and all those places where it's not really sensitive. But for Bikini Line, which is a very sensitive area, you have to be very careful because you can't just use any cream, especially when the instruction on the cream tells you that it's not advisable to be used there. So this was a great find, and I thought I will really experiment with this. I'll show you the product. This is the product and this is how it looks. It says it's with natural chamomile extract, which is great for your skin and it's really mild. So this retails for 149 rupees for 50 gram of product, which is great. I got it at a discount rate. I guess this is for 149. I got it for around 89 or 99 rupees, which was yay. So I got this and I was really happy and I was really excited to use this. Firstly, I'll tell you what are the key ingredients so that you guys know. Here it is written that they have Evax, chamomile, cithanol, liquid paraffin, ETDA, glycerin, thioglycolic acid, NaOH, preservatives and perfume. So it does have a lot of chemicals and stuff, which is obvious because these are not 100% natural. The only great thing that this is that it does have chamomile, which kind of tends to make it milder than the normal creams that you get in the market. So that's a plus point. They do tell you to do a patch test, and you have to remember one thing for sure. That's any hair removal cream that you use on any part of your body, make sure you do a patch test before you use it on your body so that you know that you're not allergic to it and your skin does not end up being reddened or blasting with any kind of redness or any kind of irritation. So always make sure that you do that. For a patch test, you can just use a patch of skin over here or your leg, just a little patch of skin, and apply it and see how you react. Like take around 2 to 5 minutes and see how it reacts to know whether it reacts in a wrong way or not. So do that every time. It's even advisable for this product, even when it's for a sensitive skin. Still, I would advise you to do it, and it's still written in the instruction packet. So firstly, I'll show you what all is given inside the product. The first thing that is there is the cream. This is a good size. I'll show you there. This is a good size cream. It comes in a nice plastic packet tube, which is very easy to use. It's a good size. It's a considerable amount of product, so you can use it for like lots of times. I have used it numerous times and I'm going to use it. As you can see, the tube is kind of pressed, so I have started using it, and as usual I always make sure that I use a product before I give a review so that I can give a more proper review of the product and not something really biased or not even knowing what it is. So I always make sure it is like that. So first is the cream itself, which is this one. Next thing that I see are these. These are two little firstly I was like really confused, what is this? But this is actually tissue papers. You can put it below a tap or put water on it to make it like enlarge, and then you can use these things to wipe off the places after you use the product. So this is like a wiping thing, but it's given like two small things. I haven't used this because I don't generally use a normal these kind of wipes. I use a proper baby wipe, or I use aloe vera gel, which is great because it helps you reduce any amount of smell or any kind of irritation or itching that takes place, especially after waxing or removing of the hair. So I don't use these, but I am planning to keep these in my bags because it can come handy sometimes. They're really cute size, they're pocket size. They're literally pocket size. These are tissue papers, so great thing. The next thing that you get inside this product is this spatula, like any other hair removing cream. So it's a curved size spatula and it's pretty small. It's cute actually because you don't need a very big spatula for your bikini line. So this is a great size. I will advise you even to use the other side because it's pretty thin, and you can use this part also to remove the cream, and even this part, so it's like cute. So this is the one. It's pink in color, it's cute. So that's it. And it comes with an instruction pamphlet as usual. So you should definitely read these, especially after using products which are sensitive in nature. So always make sure you use these things. These are important. These are not given for joke. So you should read these, and every time anything to do with your skin comes up, always read instruction pamphlets. These are really useful to prevent any kind of dangerous hampers. Something happens to your skin, it's always good. So coming back to the review, firstly I tried this for 3 times before, and firstly I had huge expectation from this because I thought it would like really work well with my skin, and I generally do not get waxing done on bikini areas, and because I feel it's kind of irritating and something not really available every place. So I don't use those things. So I tried using this for the first time, and when the first time I used it, I was in the shower and my skin was a little wet, so the results were not great. The first thing that you remember using this product is use it when your skin is entirely dry. Don't make your skin wet even a little bit, because then the cream does not tend to work. And it's applicable to any other hair removing cream. Even when you use a cream like Veet or Femme, always advisable to use it on a dry skin than a skin that's a little wet, because then the cream starts like it doesn't come off that great like as you expect it to. So I would always recommend you guys to use it like a total dry skin. So the second time I used it, my skin was totally dry. I used it before I took a shower. So when I used it, I kept it for like 5 minutes, and the results were, I would almost say like a 7 out of 10. It was not a very good result because most of the hair did come out, but it was not the clean coming off of the hair that I really like. Because most of the times that when I use Veet or any other product on my legs or anything, the hair literally comes off very smoothly. This does not come off that smoothly, but I did not have much complaint because most of the hair did come out when I rinsed the area with water, but still it wasn't that useful as it should be. But yet I would say it is a good product. Come to the texture and the smell of the product. The smell of the product is kind of lemony, and it's very similar to Veet. One fact, leaving it that it's pretty mild than the Veet one, because Veet one tends to smell really strong, especially after you use it on your skin, because it tends to be like really strong smell that I really don't like, and your skin tends to smell of medicine. But this does not smell that bad. So this is a little milder than the Veet one, but the smell is there. So you know that the ingredients are similar, it's just here and there, the proportions are here and there, but it's milder than the Veet. So this is great. So it's a little lighter than the Veet one. Next thing is effectiveness. I think the effectiveness is good, but I would recommend you to use a razor after you use this. I know it kind of scares you when I say use a razor on your sensitive part, but use a razor immediately, like a proper lady hair removing razor like Gillette woman that comes out. So use that, but after using this, just gently use that so that the hair that's a little hair that are left out comes off very easily, and it will not create much of pain or redness or irritation, because I've done that. What I do is I use this product, and then just like after a while when I feel there are few hairs here and there and it's not looking that clean, I just clean it with a razor and it's perfectly spotless clean. So that is the best way to use this product, and I think it will work very well that way. So overall I was happy with the product, but it is not something I will repurchase because I think it works okay-ish, not as per my expectation that I had when I was buying this thing. So that way it's good. I would still recommend you to purchase this product and use it. This is not a very expensive product. You can get it very easily in medicine shops. Even if you're not getting it easily online, getting it on online stores like Nykaa or Purple or even New. I'm not sure, but Purple definitely has because I bought it from there. But Nykaa, I guess you'll definitely get it. So Everteen is a good company which brings out products for girls, especially their washes, you know, intimate washes and these kind of products. So you can use it once and see whether how it works with your skin. I always tell you guys, no matter what I say in a review, always try it once. Like if the product is not that expensive, I would always recommend you guys to try it once on you yourself, because you know, products are different with different people, different skin types. So sometimes this may work really wonderful for you, but it doesn't work for me always. I'm not saying this is a bad product, but this product could have been better. So as per rating, I'll give it a 7 out of 10, which is good rating. I will not say it's a bad product. Use it once, see it. The best part is it will not create any kind of redness or any kind of irritation on your parts. You can use it pretty comfortably. I would recommend you to use a razor, especially a lady razor, after you use this, but not in a very harsh way. So always make sure that you have proper equipment before you do any kind of waxing or hair removing on those sensitive parts. Firstly, use a hand mirror, use this kind of a cream or any kind of hair remover techniques which are good for sensitive areas. Keep handy some tissues, baby cloths, baby wipes, and also aloe vera gel. Always keep handy an aloe vera gel because it works really well after skin removing. You can use an aloe vera gel like this, because these kind of tend to like really be very useful. It helps you cool down that area and reduce any kind of puffiness or redness or irritation that may take place after some time, because sometimes even if the cream does not cause an irritation, it can lead to some kind of irritation afterwards. You know, after you dry the area, pat it with the water or anything, rinse it with water, it can create also ingrown hairs, another issue. So always use an aloe vera gel like this. This is from Green Leaf. I would recommend you guys to use this. I've been using it since a long time and it's really effective. It's a great aloe vera gel to use, so always make sure you do that. And for ingrown hairs, I would always tell you to, especially when you're using a razor or any hair removing cream, like for example, you put the cream on the part and you're now wiping out with this one. Always do it in the direction where the hair, like direction of the hair. If the hair is like this, you should wipe it like this and not like this, because what happens is if you tend to remove it from the opposite directions, the hair will grow very fast and it will be coarser in nature and it will cause an irritation for sure. So always make sure you always remove the cream on the direction of the hair so that it comes off easily and does not cause any kind of irritation, because this has been proved and it does happen. So I hope you guys got my answer and my review on the product. It wasn't like a total, I could not show you like patch test or anything, but from my experience I've told you what I found about the product, and I hope it's really helpful to you guys. And I know how important is, you know, waxing in sensitive areas and how little do we get in terms of products in the Indian markets. So I hope this thing really helps you out, and if you have used this or are planning to use it, you can comment down below and tell me what was your experience about it. You can ping me on Instagram, you can ping me on Facebook, you can message me anywhere. I'm open to talking to you guys, and I've already told I love to talk to you guys always. Any queries that you have, you can put it down in the comment section below, and I always tend to reply it. So I hope you guys like this video, and please, if you did, please like, comment and subscribe. You can visit my blog at www.shopaholic.wordpress.com. You can follow me on all my social media channel. I'll put down the description box below so you can follow me easily. And till the next video, bye, ciao, have a great week, bye.